In previous lecture, I discussed empty set and subset. Today, I will discuss size of the set and power set. Size of the set also called as cardinality of the set. Let S be a set. If there are exactly n distinct elements in say, we say that S is a finite set and n is the cardinality of S, or we can say n is the size of S, and the cardinality of set is denoted by this. Inside 2 bar we can write for number of element in S or cardinality of set S. We can find cardinality only for finite set. If we can count the number of element, then that is called as a finite set. If we cannot count, it's uncountable, then that is infinite set. And the term cardinality comes from cardinal number. Let's see one example. Example 8. Let A be the set of odd positive integer less than 10. So there are odd positive integer less than 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now cardinality of A will be 5. There are 5 elements. Now for English alphabet, S cardinality will be 26. There are 26 alphabet. For null set, its cardinality will be 0. There are no element. And we can find cardinality only for finite set. Now what is infinite set? The set is said to be infinite if it is not finite. If we cannot count it, then it is infinite set. Example 11. The set of positive integer is infinite. The set of real number is infinite, which you cannot count. Next is power set. Power set is set of all subset. Given a set S, the power set of S is the set of all subset of S. The power set can be denoted by P of S. Let's see one example. Example 12. Let one set contain 0, 1, 2. Then what will be its subset? First will be 5. 5 is subset of every set. Then 0, then 1, then 2, then 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2 and 0, 1, 2. If we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 subset for 0, 1, 2. So 2 power 3 equals to 8. When there are 3 elements, there will be 8 subsets. Next example 13. What is the power set of empty set? Empty set can be represented by 5. And what is the power set of set? 5 with curly braces. These two are different. This is empty set. This is a singleton set. This is a set containing null set. Now power set of this will be, its subset will be empty set. So just 5. P of 5 will be just 5. Now power set of this will be, this is one element. So there will be 5 with this. So there will be 2 elements in power set of this curly bracket with 5. One is 5, as 5 is a null set and it is subset of every other set, and one is itself. In previous lecture I discussed that empty set, that is 5, and empty set within a curly braces, both are different. This is a set containing null set and this is a null set. Here cardinality will be 0, here cardinality will be 1. If there are n elements, then its power set has 2 power n elements. Here there was 3 elements, so power set has 2 power 3, it's 8 elements. Here there are 1 element, so power set has 2 power 1, 2 elements. And in case of empty set 5, there are 0 elements, so 2 power 0, there are 1 element in power set. Suppose there are 4 elements in a set, then power set will have 2 power 4, it will be 16 elements. Suppose there are 100 elements, then power set will contain 2 power 100. In today's lecture, I discussed cardinality of set and power set. In next lecture, I will discuss Cartesian product. If today's lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.